I'm Dave Cross, Photoshop educator and instructor at Creative Live. This is how to change pattern color in Photoshop. Now, like everything in Photoshop, there's multiple ways to do something like change the pattern color in Photoshop, but I'm going to show you a way using an adjustment layer that I like because it gives you so much control and the ability to change your mind at any time. Here's how it works. So I have a pattern here that I want to change the color of, and I'm going to do it again using this adjustment layer. So I'll go to the Layer menu, New Adjustment Layer, Hue Saturation. If I want to, I could name it. I'm not going to bother in this case, and you'll see as I look at the top part of my panels here, here are the options in this panel called Properties, and this is where I can alter the settings for what I want. I usually leave this on Master in a case like this, and now as I move the Hue slider, you'll see everything is changing. However, it is also possible, depending on the situation, I could say, for example, what if I only wanted to adjust the reds? In this case, it's not going to have a dramatic difference just because the pattern is mostly red. But this is one way, if you had a pattern that had specific colors you wanted to address, you could do so. One of the big advantages of using adjustment layers like this is I don't actually click OK, I just leave it this way, and now I have my adjustment on a separate layer so I can turn it on and off at any time. And now I would just have to save this. I would save one copy as a PSD with this layer, and a second copy if I want it as a JPEG with this new pattern color. Now remember, the advantage of using an adjustment layer to change our pattern color is we can come back at any time. As long as you save it as a PSD, you can come back at any time and change that color as much as you want.